Technical training today faces a critical gap. Many students learn theory, but they struggle to apply it in real-world tasks due to limited guided support during hands-on practice. This challenge is even greater for open and distance learners, where supervision and assessment are difficult to achieve. At Ujuzi Labs, we are building an AR/AI supported learning platform that guides learners step by step as they carry out practical tasks, helping them build confidence and competence in real time, even outside traditional workshop environments. The learner begins by selecting a module, then chooses a specific task, allowing them to access structured, task-based learning aligned to practical skills. Once the task starts, the system provides clear, step-by-step guidance to support the learner through each stage of the process. This prototype demonstrates how digital tools can make hands-on learning more structured, accessible, and effective. At each stage, the system automatically captures the learner's progress using their device. These submissions are then shared in real time with the trainer or assessor. The trainer gains live visibility into learner progress, seeing who has completed each step, who is still in progress, and where learners may be stuck. The system can also prompt learners when they appear stuck, offering hints or asking for confirmation before moving to the next step. This enables timely feedback, guided decision-making, and more effective remote assessments. This makes it possible to effectively assess practical skills even in open and distance learning environments. This approach ensures that practical skills can be taught, monitored, and assessed with greater consistency and accountability, even without physical supervision. It bridges the gap between learning and real-world application. By combining guided learning with real-time assessment and progress tracking, this solution improves skill mastery, reduces training gaps, and expands access to high-quality technical training. We believe this is a scalable approach to strengthening workforce readiness and transforming how practical skills are taught and assessed across Africa.